Is your WhatsApp backup stuck at 80%, 90%, 95, or 99% on your iPhone? This usually happens due to network issues or maybe large backup sizes. But don't worry folks, in this video I'll show you how to solve the WhatsApp backup stuck issue on your iPhone. So let's get started. Before doing anything else, make sure you have a strong internet connection, try to switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data, try airplane mode on and off. Solution 1. Check iCloud storage and enable iCloud Drive. First, open the settings. After that, tap on the Apple ID profile. Next, tap iCloud, tap Manage Storage. Make sure you have enough space in iCloud. Free up space if you see your iCloud storage is full. After checking iCloud storage, go back, tab Drive here. Make sure to turn on Sync this iPhone option. Solution 2. Sync WhatsApp. First, open up the Settings app, then tap on the Apple ID profile. After that, tap on iCloud. Next, tap on the See All. After that, scroll down and find the WhatsApp app. Make sure to toggle it on. If you're still having the same issue, then follow the next solution. Solution 3. Clear WhatsApp cache. Open up Settings, then tap General. Next, tap iPhone Storage. Now scroll down and find the WhatsApp app. If you can't find the WhatsApp app here, tap on Show All. Next, tap on WhatsApp. Then tap Offload and again tap Offload. After that, tap Reinstall. Solution 4. Reset network settings. Open Settings, tap General, scroll down, then tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. After that, tap Reset. Now tap Reset Network Settings. This will reset settings like Wi-Fi, password, but won't delete your data. Then enter the passcode of your iPhone if it wants. Tap Reset Network Settings again. After the resetting network, go ahead and check whether your problem is solved or not. I hope this issue of your WhatsApp backup getting stuck on your iPhone is now resolved. If this video helped you out, then make sure to hit that like button. And if you have any kind of questions, then feel free to ask them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.